Meadow Walker, the daughter of the late actor Paul Walker, recently celebrated Vin Diesel's birthday with a heartfelt message on Instagram. Vin Diesel and Paul Walker were co-stars in the popular Fast and Furious franchise, and Meadow and Vin have maintained a close bond even after Paul's tragic death in 2013. Meadow shared a touching photo on her Instagram story, featuring herself and Vin embracing at the Rome premiere of Fast X last year. In the caption, Meadow referred to Vin as Uncle Vin and expressed her deep love for him. Their relationship has remained strong over the years, with Meadow considering Vin and his daughter Hania as part of her own family. Vin Diesel has reciprocated Meadow's love and support. On Meadow's 21st birthday, Vin posted a touching comment on her social media, expressing his pride in the person she has become and wishing her a happy birthday. This gesture highlights the close bond between the two and their continued support for one another. In terms of legal matters, Meadow received a $10.1 million settlement from Roger Roda's estate. Roger was driving the car in which both Paul and Roger tragically lost their lives. Meadow also reached a settlement with Porsche in a wrongful death lawsuit. These settlements demonstrate the efforts made to address the circumstances surrounding Paul's untimely death and provide Meadow with some financial security. Meadow has chosen to follow in her father's footsteps by pursuing a career in the entertainment industry. She had a small role as a flight attendant in the movie Furious X and is also pursuing a modeling career. Meadow's determination to carry on her father's legacy showcases her passion and commitment to honoring his memory. Overall, Meadow Walker's relationship with Vin Diesel, her legal settlements, and her career pursuits all reflect her strong connection to her late father and her determination to keep his memory alive.